In a bright little home, there was a tiny kitchen full of warmth and soft colors. Everything was small, but the feeling inside was peaceful and happy. This tiny kitchen was a place where simple moments turned into comfort. One day, fresh strawberries were brought in. They were washed gently, their red color shining under the light. The strawberries were sliced carefully and placed into a small blender. As the blender started, the room filled with a calm, soothing sound. Slowly, the strawberries turned into a smooth pink juice. The juice was poured into a tiny glass, looking simple but beautiful. Nearby, a tired parent took a sip. In that quiet moment, a soft smile appeared on their face. That smile changed the mood of the room. The tiny kitchen felt warmer, brighter, and full of hope. Everyone learned that small actions done with love can bring peace, happiness, and comfort to the heart.